One person, different seasons. This is Vincent Kaluma, also known as Kaluma Boy. Just months ago, life was hard. He struggled, dressed in torn clothes, working casual jobs just to care for his sick father. His days looked hopeless, and his nights were filled with worry. But look at him today, strong, confident, and transformed. His story teaches us that your past does not define your future. A dark season doesn't mean you'll remain poor forever. Change is possible if you're willing to learn, work, and take new opportunities. And that's why on this channel, I share practical ways anyone can create new opportunities online. One of them is affiliate marketing. That means you promote products or services you use and trust, and when people buy through your special link, you earn a commission. You can share these links on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, or even Telegram. It's simple, flexible, and you don't even need your own product. Subscribe to my YouTube channel Sweetmelodies Peter for more ways to earn, and also for queries and live tutorials, because no matter your season, a better tomorrow is possible.